Alright, this is Mike with Trike with Mike, Texas. We're going on a side mission. This is, we're on Hoblitzelle Trail. We're going to connect to another trail in Allen. So right now I'm at the corner. It's kind of in the middle of Hoblitzelle. I'm at the corner of Mullins and Prescott. And I'm going to turn right off of Hoblitzelle. I'm now going east. Again, this is a connector to a trail in Allen. I think it's the Twin Creeks Trail. I won't know until I look at a map later. I've done this a few times with the Plano lowriders. And the sign points bike route this way. This is Iola. So we're turning north on Iola. Again, this is a connector between two trails. It's the safest way to get between the two trails and to continue your ride instead of riding the same old thing over and over and over. It's probably a little over half a mile between the trails on residential streets. There is one major road crossing with no stoplights for them or stop signs. But it's usually not a long wait before you can get across. Now, the only times I've been here is in the dark, so it's all new to me. And I'm solo today without the pack. All right, nothing left, nothing right. Crossing Hedgecoxe. Crossing Hedgecoxe. Squirrel. Oh, right here on Rollins. Turn on Rollins. Back east. And the trail's right here on the left. The trail does go underneath the bridge and over here for just a little bit, but it stops, so there's not any continuity. This does take you to another trail, so we're going to stop this and start up for the next connector.